Good morning, students. Today we will study about ancient seven wonders of the world. Chapter 21. So concentrate here and open page number 34. During the ancient times, seven great structures were built by the royal families. They were great patrons of art and architecture. However, most of these wonders have been either reduced to ruins or wiped off from the face of the earth due to the onslaughts of nature in time. The records bear testimony to these wonders. Let us learn about them. So, let's start. Great Pyramid at Giza. It was the tallest man-made structure in the world for nearly 4,000 years. It was built for the Egyptian pharaoh Khufu in between 2584 and 2561 BC. It is the only surviving ancient wonder. It is 230.4 meter wide at its base and 146.5 meter tall. It is the largest of three pyramids in Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza, as showing here in this picture. You can see Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Second is ancient wonders of the world. So first is Great Pyramid at Giza and second is Hanging Gardens of Babylon. These were built by King Nebuchadnezzar II between 605 and 562 BC as a gift to his wife Amytis. The ancient writers like Philo, Strabo, and Diodorus Siculus preached the self-watering plants abound with exotic flora and fauna. It was as high as over 75 feet 23 meters through a series of climbing terraces. It is said that Amytis of Media, Nebuchadnezzar's wife, yearned for the mountains and flowers of her homeland, and so the king created a mountain for her in Babylon too. Later, these were destroyed by an earthquake in the 1st century CE. Hanging Gardens of Babylon, as showing in this picture. Now, third given here is statue of Zeus at Olympia. It was built by the famous Greek sculptor Phidias, the finest sculptor of the ancient world in the 5th century BC. It is better known as the Temple of Zeus at Olympia. The statue portrayed god Zeus, 40 feet, means 12 meters tall, seated on his throne, his skin of ivory and robes of hammered gold. With the spread of Christianity, the temple at Olympia was destroyed. The Olympic Games was also banned as pagan rites. The statue was taken to Constantinople, where it was later demolished by an earthquake in the 5th or 6th century CE. Statue of Zeus at Olympia. Temple of Artemis at Ephesus. It was built by King Croesus of Lydia. It is said that the Temple of Artemis of Ephesus, a Greek colony in Asia Minor, took over 120 years to be built. What was devastated within one night. This temple was completed in 550 BC. The temple was 425 feet, about 129 meter high, 225 feet, almost 69 meter wide, supported by 127-60 feet, about 18 meter high columns. Even Herodotus had praised it in high terms. The temple was one of the most amazing structures ever raised by humans. On 21st July 356 BC, Herostratus set fire to the temple to achieve lasting fame. By forever it was rebuilt and later destroyed again by some unruly mob. So, Temple of Artemis at Ephesus. Next given here, Mausoleum of Halicarnassus. It was the tomb of Mausolus, the Persian satrap. Constructed in 351 BC, Halicarnassus became the capital city of Mausolus. He and his beloved wife Artemisia created this beautiful city. After Mausolus' death in 353 BC, Artemisia created his tomb. Even after the death of Artemisia, her ashes were entombed with Mausolus in the mausoleum as the greatest tribute of the craft persons to their patroness. The tomb was 135 feet 41 meter tall and richly decorated with fine sculpture. It fell to ruins due to a series of earthquakes in the 15th century. It is from the tomb of Mausolus that the English word mausoleum is derived. Closes of Rhodes. So it was the statue of the god Helios. It was the statue of the god Helios near the harbor of Rhodes. It was built between 292 BC and 280 BC and stood over 110 feet 33 meter high. After Demetrius was defeated in the war, his equipment of warfare were seized and sold by the Rhodians for 300 talents. The statue was commissioned in 304 BC and rebuilt after 56 years. An earthquake destroyed it in 226 BC. Later, the bronze ruins were sold to a Jewish merchant in the 7th century. It is Colossus of Rhodes. Lighthouse of Alexandria. It was built on the islands of Pharos and commissioned by Ptolemy I shorter around 280 BC. It was as high as 440 feet 134 meter with a square base, octagonal shaped middle portion and circular top. The lighthouse was one of the tallest man-made structure in the world. Light was visible as far as 35 miles away from sea. It was badly damaged in an earthquake in 956 C. The lighthouse Ptolemy shorter as showing here in this picture. So students, it is about the 7 wonders of the world. So read it and understood it, and if any doubt then consult it into meeting and create some question answer from this chapter and learn it and see 7 wonders of the world. This is very important. Okay students.